Imagine being able to engineer your baby to filter out all possible problems and perhaps enhance its intelligence or athleticism or looks. Genetic manipulation is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. Tonight
change the very nature of humankind.
And there's a lot of debate about what you should allow and what you shouldn't allow. There's going to be a whole spectrum of things that are possible. A lot of it will be very uncomfortable with.
Okay, so basically, a DNA cutting enzyme called a nuclease can be put into a cell that breaks the DNA at a specific place and takes out the faulty or unwanted gene. The DNA can use a synthetic sequence that replaces the faulty one as the strands are put back together.
That's too expensive. That is too expensive.
The number one concern with this type of technology is you're changing what we call the germline. And those changes you make to the germline get passed on for all time. As long as that lineage exists, those changes are going to be propagated through to their children, the children's children, and so on. And we don't really understand yet enough of the genome, to be making certain types of changes. This technology also is not so specific.
I think serious safety questions about this. If you look back at the 19 babies that were produced this way before 2001, before the FDA put a stop on this, 2 of them developed Turner syndrome, which the usual rates of incidence of that is 1 in 2,500. Now we can't draw a line from A to B and say that that was the problem, but it raises questions, and there has.
Is Is there anything else you'd like to check out?